Good morning, student. Again, I welcome you all in your today's math class. In today's, we will learn how we can find the periods and the place of any number. Okay, so let's see. As we all know that the given number, this can be rectified. The first one is ones, the second one, that is 2, is in of tens place. The third one, that is 8 is in 100 place, and this 4 is in 1000 place, and the given 5 is in 10,000, and this 6 is in place of lakhs. So now today we will learn how we can find the places and the periods of the any number. So for finding the places and the periods, first we have to know that which ones comes in which periods. Okay, so ones, tens and hundred. Ones, tens and hundred, these three places comes in one group. We considered as ones, tens, and this 8, that is in 100 place. This all three are considered as one group, and name of that period is ones. Okay, so here you can clearly see that ones in ones group, and there is ones also, there is tens, and there is 100. These ones, tens, and 100 is grouped together, and the name of that group is ones. Similarly, in the same way, this 4, that is in 1000 position, and this 5, that is in 10,000 places, these are grouped together, and the name of that group is 1000. Okay, and again here this one is 6, this one is lakh. So it is considered as a lakh, and there is no more number, because you have to study according to your syllabus up to the lakh digit. No, you have not learned beyond the lakh. Okay, that's why this 6 is alone, and this comes in a group of lakh. Okay, so according to your syllabus, how many groups are there? There are 3 groups. The name of the first group is ones, and the second group is 1000, and the third one is lakh. The ones groups contains 3 places, that is ones, tens, and 100. 1000 group, the group name, that is 1000, it consists 2 places, that is 1000 and the 10,000. And the lakh group, it consists lakh only. Okay, because you have to learn up to 9,99,999 according to the syllabus, that is up to in your class 4 only. That's why there is no any more group of lakhs. Okay, so now we will today learn how we can find the periods and the place of the any number. So let's see here. The first places from the right hand side are ones, tens, and 100, and named as ones period. As I have already explained that ones, tens, and 100 is named as a ones period, and this one is the 1000 and the 10,000. This one named as a 1000 period, and the 6 places, that is lakh, it's named as a lakh period. Okay, so now we will see how this periods is shown on the chart paper. Let's see about this. So this is the place value chart. Here you can clearly see that is the ones, tens, and the 100 are grouped together, and the name of that group is what? Name of that group is ones. Again, similarly, in the same way, this 1000 and this 10,000 is grouped together, and name of that group is what? The name of that group is 1000. Name of that period is 1000, and in this one, the name of that period is ones. So in ones period, which number is there? In ones period, there is ones, tens, and 100. In 1000 period, which places is there? In 1000 period, there is 1000 and the 10,000 also. Okay, and in lakh places, in lakh period, which place is there? Only lakh is there, because you have to learn up to lakh only. Okay, now we will see how we can find the period and place through an example, so that you can understand very well. Now in this numbers, what is the period and the place of 1? The number is here, you can able to see here, and in this one what you have to do, you have to find the periods. What is the periods and the place of 1? So here 1 is where? In the number 1 is at the place of tens. So what is the place of 1? Simply we will write that the place of 1 is tens. Again the second question is that what is the period of 1? So let me tell you that as I have earlier told you that the ones, tens and 100, these three places is considered and grouped together, and name of that group, name of that period is what? Name of that period is ones. So this one is in which period? This one is in ones period. So here ones is given. Again we will see we will understand through another example also. So what is the question? What is the period and the place of 3 in the given numbers? In 3, we have to find the period and the place of what? We have to find the period and the place of 3 in the given number. So first of all we will find the place. So for finding the place we will count the number as we do earlier. So this one is ones, this one is 10, this one is 100, this one is 1000, this one is 10,000, and 3 is in the place of where? 3 is in the place of 1000. So what is the place of 3 in the given number? The place of 3 is 1000. So here we will write 1000. Okay. Again the next question arises that what is the period of the given number? So as we know that the ones, tens and the 100 is considered in a one group, and the period, the name of that group, name of that period is what? Ones. So 8, 0 and 1, these are the period of ones. Again which period will come? Then after the 1000 period will become. So in 1000 period which number will be there? In 1000 there will be two places, that is 1000 and 10,000, but 3 is in the place of 1000. And what is the name of the period after ones? After ones the second period name is what? The second period name is 1000. So we will write that 1000 because 3 is in the 1000 period. Okay. Now we will see we will understand with the help of another example also. In this question what we have to do? We have to find what is the period and the place of the 8 in the given number. Again here we have to find the period and the place. So in this number, first we have to find the period and the place of the given number. That is what? That is 8. So first we will count for finding the place. So this one is 1, this one is 10, this one is 100 and this one is 1000. So what is the place of 8 in the given number? The place of 8 in the given number is what? It is 1000. 1000. So again what is the period of the 8 in the given number? So again we will count at the 6, 1 and 0. These three are grouped together, and the name of that period, name of that group is what? Ones. Again 8 will comes in which period? It will come in 1000 period, because after ones which period will come? After ones 1000 period will come. So what is the period of the 8? The period of the 8 is again 1000. 1000. Again in this number what is the period and the place of the given number? Again we have to find the period and the place of the given number, that is 9. So for finding the place what we will do? We will write we will first count the places. So what is this? This is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. 9 comes in which places? 9s come in lakh places. So what we will do? We will write here lakh. So what is the place of 9 here? It is lakh. Again we have to find the periods of the given number, that is 9. So what is the period? So as we all know that the ones, tens and 100, this is grouped together and the group name is 1. Again this 1000 and 10,000 grouped together and group name is 1000. So again this 9 will become the period, that is in lakh. Okay, so in this way we can find the period and the place of the any number. I hope you understand this. Again I am going to recall you that ones, tens and hundred are grouped together, and the name of that group and that period is what? Ones. And 1,000 and 10,000 grouped together, and name of that period is 1,000. And lakh is grouped by itself only, and the name of that period is lakh. Okay, so in this way you can find the places and the periods of any number. Okay, I have given today's assignment related to this topic, so you have to complete this one. Okay, and that's all for today's. Thank you. Have a nice day.